Imagine you're a restaurant owner. You've got a great menu, a fantastic team, and a loyal customer base. But how do you turn those loyal customers into even more loyal customers who keep coming back again and again? That's where TouchBistro Loyalty comes in. It's a powerful tool that can help you build stronger relationships with your customers, drive repeat business, and increase your revenue. But how do you set it up? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up TouchBistro Loyalty. We'll cover everything from creating loyalty programs to tracking customer behavior and rewarding your most valuable patrons. Step 1. Creating your loyalty program. The first step is to create your loyalty program. This involves deciding on the type of program you want to offer, such as points-based, tier-based, or stamp cards. You'll also need to determine the rewards you'll offer, such as discounts, free items, or exclusive experiences. Once you've decided on the basic structure of your program, you can start customizing it to fit your restaurant's unique needs. For example, you may want to offer different rewards for different types of customers, such as VIPs or frequent diners. Step 2. Setting up your TouchBistro system. Now that you have your loyalty program in place, it's time to set up your TouchBistro system. This involves activating the loyalty module and configuring your settings. You'll also need to create loyalty cards for your customers. Step 3. Training your staff. Once your TouchBistro system is set up, it's important to train your staff on how to use the loyalty feature. This will ensure that they can accurately track customer loyalty points and redeem rewards. Step 4. Promoting your loyalty program. Now that your loyalty program is up and running, it's time to promote it to your customers. This can be done through a variety of channels, such as your website, social media, and in-store signage. Step 5. Tracking customer behavior. TouchBistro Loyalty provides you with valuable insights into customer behavior. This information can be used to identify your most valuable customers, track their spending habits, and tailor your marketing efforts to their specific needs. Step 6. Rewarding your customers. Finally, it's important to reward your customers for their loyalty. This can be done through a variety of incentives, such as discounts, free items, or exclusive experiences. Setting up TouchBistro Loyalty can be a great way to increase customer loyalty and drive repeat business. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a successful loyalty program that will help your restaurant thrive. Do you have any questions about setting up TouchBistro Loyalty? Leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.